Hello everybody. Finally I have the time to make this video. Several weeks ago I was on this ESS Europe event, and this event is some large event about the batteries, battery packs, energy storage systems, solar panels, charging stations for electric cars. I also was able to see some hydrogen solutions and so on. So the main reason that I go to this event was of course the batteries. But I was able to see a lot of companies and the solutions which they bring on the table. But actually in the end I was a little bit disappointed, because I hope for a little bit more different type of battery chemistries. Because here on this event I was able to see around, let's say, 80% of batteries which are based on lithium technology. And then another 15% of batteries are based on lead acid technology. And for the end, around 5% or even less, I was able to see some alternative battery chemistries, like redox flow battery types and so on. So about alternative batteries I will show you in the end of this video. But first I will show you some batteries based on lithium technology and the storage systems which also use some lithium-ion based batteries. On this event I see two major lithium-ion battery types. The first lithium type is NMC, which means that this lithium battery have the cathode made from nickel, manganese and cobalt. For this reason this type of lithium battery is called NMC type. The another lithium battery type is some LFP type, which also means lithium iron phosphate battery. And this lithium iron phosphate battery have great number of cycles, much better like NMC type, and also the lithium iron phosphate type of battery have much better cell stability, which means that this type of battery is much more safer and will not explode or burn so easily like other lithium types. For this reason I can say that the lithium iron phosphate type of battery is dominating the event. It was also really interesting for me to see all these big companies like Kettle, Samsung, LG and so on. By LG I also see these blade batteries, which are in this moment really popular cell designs. And now this is my favorite part of this video, because here in this ending section of the video I show these alternative battery chemistries. The Elastor company have this hydrogen bromide flow battery, which means that on the one side of the cell you have some hydrogen gas, and on the other side of the cell you have some bromide. And actually this battery is some hybrid device between the battery and the fuel cell. The next one is some zinc-ion based battery from the company Enerpoly, and the chemistry in this cell is based on zinc manganese dioxide chemistry. And the last company is some World Storage. World Storage produce some vanadium redox flow battery type, but they also developing some iron redox flow battery. And if you see this float cell, it's actually not so different like I do, for example. So definitely I will make another video about the companies which are making these alternative battery chemistries. But for now, that's it. And actually, yeah, we see us in the next video. Bye.